Hello students. Today we will discuss about a topic called as CSS, that is cascading style sheet. So on your screen you can see the CSS, the cascading style sheet, and why we are using CSS, that is the question here. So in case you want to display the screen in a proper way, so in that case you need CSS. CSS helps us for defining the style to the web page, different fonts, images styles we can set, even the link styles we can set, and even we can align the data, or you can align the information in using CSS. So in the last topic of HTML we have discussed about layout. So this is the layout what you see normally in your web page. Here at the top you can, in case you want to have a panel, or you say this is called as a pan, the heading pan. So you can have such heading pan using, or you can design heading pan using the CSS. Left side you can see some menus you can see here. Even at the top also, in case you want a menu, you can define a menu. Here you can define the content, and here this is called as a header, and this is a footer, and this is a content page, and right sidebar. So like that you can define left sidebar, right sidebar, and content page. So in case you want to display such websites, so simply by the HTML it is not possible. With the table we can do it to some extent, but we need to learn CSS. And what is CSS and how it works, we will discuss. Now when it comes to the CSS, it can be written as within the HTML page, in the head section of the HTML page, or you can write it as a separate file and you can call the link of that CSS into your HTML file. We will see how to do these things in the different videos. Now here you can see the syntax of CSS. I will briefly introduce about the syntax. So here you know this h1 tag, correct? So we have already used this h1 tag. In case you want to define the color, font size and all for this h1 tag, so you can define it. We will see this as an example. I will show you this how it is done in the next video. Okay. Now see here the syntax is very simple here. First you have to write the tag. Along with that, in the curly braces, what we have to write is the description. The property here is a color and a value. Value means blue we have taken here. Similarly, we can have a second declaration. In between you can use a semicolon here. You can see this is the first declaration. Here the color is set to blue. Same concept, we will try it in the next video how it is done. Then font size, you can see here font can be defined as 12 px, means you can define the size. So here font size is a property and value is a 12 px is a value. So you can have multiple declaration for one tag, and that is separated by a semicolon. In between you can see it is separated by a semicolon. This is the syntax of CSS. In the upcoming videos we will learn how to write a code using the CSS. Thank you for watching this video.